Hello, guys, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, October the 5th, 2022. Yeah, I've told you it's war day number 224, 224 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Yeah, I don't like changes. So, let's continue with this puzzle. This puzzle will be number 5277. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. And 26 printed digits, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. But for this one, 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really a 2 stars. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row. No 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. It should be there. Okay. And then I cannot continue with the 1. How about 2, 3, 8. Okay. 8. Let me scan. Yeah. Come on. 9, 7. Ay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. That should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, and the 5, 7, and 1. Okay. Let me think. 2. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. So the 2 in the first column, the 2 in the second column. So the first column, the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the third row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. And we have a pair. 2 and a 7 in the third row. 2 and a 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Alright. And now, the 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 6, 6. Come on. 2, 3, 3. 1, 3, and 5. 5, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. 2 missing numbers in this second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Oh, no, not the 6. 5 and a 7. Excuse me. Made a mistake. 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Almost made a mistake. Double check. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here in the first column. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. The first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and 8. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then. 4. Okay. How about the number 6. Well. 7. Put a 5 in. 5. 5, 5, 5. Yes, 5 in one of those two boxes in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see how 5 in the last row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. Oh, 3 and a 5. Overlook this 5. Overlook this 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box give me 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So that last column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Alright. Two missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 9, 6, 8. 9, 6, 8. Okay. Then, two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last row. 2 in that row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in the last column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 2, how about a 7 now? Nope, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 1 box left in this third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And then 3, 3. How about the 4? Yeah, we have a pair. We have a 3 and a 4 in this row. We have a 3 and a 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. But we have also a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in that box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. Then. Oh, how about the 4 then? Oh. 4. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Difficult. How about those? 2, 3 missing numbers. 6, 8. Oh, yeah. No. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 in this column should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column. Last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have enough 4 now in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. The 3 in this column. The 3 in the last column. So the column between... The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there, 9 should be here. The 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. 50. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. 50 minutes. Because I'm not faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again in a minute with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.